MOP Vaishnav College for me? Welcome to one of the best colleges in the city. MOP Vaishnav is very proud of its diversity in our student bodies. We have students from different backgrounds with a plethora of interest in pursuing their desired passion. Let me introduce you to some of them. What's MOP for you?
Hi, MOP is an emotion to me. It makes me feel home away from home. Being from the Department of Social Science, they've given more importance to research. They also encourage us to intern in various governmental and non-governmental organizations, which adds on to our resume.
I'm from the School of Information Technology in MOP, and my department provides us a great platform for learning upcoming technologies and the ones which are in trend. Last year we had this international conference called ICCC MIT. Being a part of the conference was a great exposure to all of us, and we get amazing placements, and internship is a great opportunity for us as students.
I'm from the School of Business. School of Business, the learning is not merely restricted to our textbooks. The subject's learning is wider in scope. We are given real-time examples. We tend to develop soft skills, technical skills, and various organizing skills throughout our college course, and which makes us a better person.
As I belong to the School of Food Science, under the guidance of all our experienced and well-proficient teachers, we get to learn about all spheres of how the food industry really works, like from the processing, production, analysis, research and development, culinary arts, all of it. And we have something called Beyond Bridge, which is an exclusive to our department. It gives all our students, an on-campus business experience, to invoke the entrepreneur in all of us. All of this wouldn't have been possible without coming to MOP, so I definitely have a lot to owe to it.
Happy day, freshers. MOP to me is a place where each of us can express ourselves, identify our unique strengths and talents, and most importantly, build a strong base for our academic and our professional endeavors.
MOP is a bunch of opportunities to me. With the facilities they have provided, such as the Green Mat Studio, the Photography Studio, the Editing Lab, Dubbing Studio, and the Multimedia Lab, I think I have not only improved academically, but practically as well. Along with this, I got an opportunity to cast my ideas through the community radio station, MOP CRS.
I consider my time at MOP as the most valuable experience because they helped me to manage sports and academics. I actually represented our college at national level. It's all because of them, I guess.
Canteen is like the best thing in MOP. It's very cost efficient and you get healthy snacks if you don't want to eat junk. And for all our juniors and freshers, please give it a shot in our canteen and please don't miss the Pani Puri, guys.
I'm sure MOP will definitely provide you a bunch of opportunities, and we welcome all of you here.
My most favorite place in this college is this library. I love spending my time here. I come here to borrow a lot of books, not just for my academic purposes, but also to read my favorite novels.
Happy day and welcome to MOP Vaishnav College for Women. It is always an exciting day when the freshers come into MOP Vaishnav. I look to learn something from each of the 1,300 that walk into the college on that day. I am very proud and happy to welcome all of you into the MOP family. As you may have read in the MOP's website, MOP stands for providing a unique learning experience to each and every one of you. Having said that, the mission goals are to provide academic excellence, make you all into self-reliant individuals, give you ample career opportunities, and most important, make you a well-rounded personality who is a socially responsible citizen. I would like to emphasize here that you are all extremely talented and brilliant as you walk into the college, and when you walk out of the campus, I want you to be having these ethical and human values instilled in you. If MOP is able to make you a well-rounded personality who is humane, humble and rich in human values, I think then that is task accomplished. Welcome all of you once again.
Welcome freshers!